Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to open Moomoo investment and trading account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Moomoo application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Moomoo application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now, if you already have the account, you can tap on the option login and log into your account. But if you want to sign up for your account, tap on the option sign up that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the sign up interface. You can either use the email or phone in order to sign up. If you want to use the phone, tap on the option of phone. Now you'll be able to enter the phone number and continue. If you want to use the email, tap on the option email. Now simply enter the email address over here. After you do that, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to set the password for yourself. Your password must contain at least 8 characters. It must include any two types, letters, numbers or symbols. So create the password accordingly. Now after you set the password for yourself, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you've signed up for the account. You can go ahead and verify your account. For that, tap on the option open account that you can see at bottom. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the option open account. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here you'll have to verify your information. Your name, date of birth, encrypted SSN and address needs to be verified. So simply tap on the option next that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to verify your phone number. First of all, select the country code. Now enter the phone number over here. After doing that, what you have to do is tap on the send option that you can see right over here on the screen, and the verification code will be sent to your phone number. Now what you have to do is simply enter the verification code over here. After you enter the verification code, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be led to another interface. In that interface, what you have to do is fill in your details like name, date of birth and contact information. Also, you'll have to upload the identification. Simply provide a valid ID, passport or national ID. Now, after you do that, you'll also have to enter the tax and financial information. Complete the tax and financial information sections, including your investment experience. You'll also have to verify your identity. In order to do that, follow through the instructions to verify your identity, which may involve a selfie or other verifications methods. Now, after you do that, carefully review all the information that you provided and submit your application. Now, your application for opening the account will be submitted. Once approved, you can deposit funds into your account using the provided bank details. Like this, you'll be able to open the account. So that is how you open Moomoo investment and trading account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.